Did you think bookkeeping was going to be easy only to find out that you're in over your head? You want to make money working from home offering accounting and bookkeeping services, but it's not as easy as you think. And now more than ever, people are looking for ways to make money working from home, and accounting and bookkeeping services are a great way to do that. And you don't need any formal education or certifications in order to deliver accounting and bookkeeping services, but you do need the skills. In fact, you don't just need the skills. You need to be able to put together what I would refer to as a set of books that were bulletproof. And what that means is when the business owner, your client, starts asking questions wanting to know where all their money went, not only will you be able to answer the question, but you'll be able to prove it. Very few people even know how to deliver this level of bookkeeping services. And it's not because they're not smart. It's because they don't have the specific kind of experience required to know how to put together a set of books that are bulletproof. My name is Seth David, and I used to be an auditor. In 2003, I started Nerd Enterprises Incorporated, offering accounting and bookkeeping services to clients. A number of years back, I developed a process for how to make sure the bookkeeping was solid. I once had a client tell me that he was certain I'd screwed up his books. He said, "There's no way I took that much money out of my business." I knew exactly where to go to prove him wrong, and sure enough, when I looked into the details of his reports, one particular transaction stood out. It was a check that he'd written himself for $75,000. And when I showed that to him, it jogged his memory, and he said to me, "Oh yeah, I remember taking that money out of the business to pay off a personal debt." And I said back to him, "I hope someday I'm so successful that I can forget about a $75,000 check that I've written." And of course, this restored his confidence in me. But the thing is, I never wavered. I never even got nervous, even when he directly accused me of screwing up his books, because I knew I had put the accounting together completely, and I knew that I could prove it. I was able to do this because of my background as an auditor and what that taught me about how to put together a set of books. Most accounting and bookkeeping professionals do not have that specific experience. Now, if you've decided that you wanted to become an accounting or bookkeeping professional because you thought it would be an easy way to make money working from home, you were right. But you're also wrong. You see, the mistake most people make is they think that because they can balance a checkbook, that they can do bookkeeping. But when your client, the business owner, approaches you and starts questioning things and saying the numbers don't look right, not only do you need to be able to prove them wrong, you need to be able to do it quickly and with confidence. As soon as you waver, they will lose confidence in you, and they'll begin to wonder what other mistakes you've made that they haven't found. Meanwhile, you get nervous, you can't think straight, you start sweating because you're searching for the answers yourself, and then you start questioning your own work. Maybe I did screw his books up. I know of many accountants and bookkeepers out there who may have signed up for some marketing program that taught them how to get these big-ticket accounting clients. Then they get the clients, but the clients start to realize early on that what they got was a level 1 accountant when what they were really expecting and what they're paying for is more of a level 2 or level 3 accountant. Now you face losing the clients or just not getting them because you lack the skills and therefore you lack the confidence. And if you lack the confidence, then it will be next to impossible to win the confidence of your prospects and clients. Here are the top 3 ways my Bulletproof Bookkeeping course will help you. You will get, improve, or restore your confidence, number 1. Number 2, you will know how to compile a set of books more effectively, more efficiently, and with greater accuracy than most ever do. And number 3, perhaps most importantly, you'll get more clients because your confidence will come through in your tone of voice when you speak to them. It will even come through in your written communications. Imagine you get a call from a prospect who tells you that they have no set of books to speak of, or their books are a mess, and they've been through 3 other accountants and spent thousands of dollars. Now you can't screw that up. Now imagine having so much confidence that you not only know you know how to do the job, you don't even need to see the books they have in order to do it. Now that's confidence. That's what you get when you have an incredibly solid foundation in the fundamentals. You can really help these clients and they really need the help. Nothing is more rewarding than having the skills to do this for people and knowing it. Now imagine feeling like this in every single conversation you have with every prospect you speak to, even if you don't have experience in their industry. But you know the accounting fundamentals and you know them cold. As the prospect explains to you what's going on, you can start to visualize how a sale is made, and from there how the money flows into the business. You can see exactly how the accounting on this needs to get done. At the end of almost every call, your prospects will tell you that they already feel better and you haven't done a thing yet. And when you have that kind of confidence, you'll have a powerful tone of enthusiasm in your voice. And do you know what the IASM at the end of the word enthusiasm stands for? It stands for I am sold myself. If you are sold on your ability to handle any prospect's accounting issues, you'll have no problem conveying that to someone just by speaking to them. In the next video, I'll show you how to get started putting together a set of bulletproof books. I will show you some tips and tricks that will immediately improve how you process transactions. And if you follow my instructions, it will also save you a ton of time. In the next few days, I'm going to be launching a unique and limited offer. I'm going to be taking on a limited number of people and offering weekly coaching for a period of 6 weeks, along with a number of other bonuses that you're going to love. For me to give you that kind of attention, I can't take on 500 people, much less than that actually. This is going to be a rare opportunity, so I'm going to offer it on a first come, first served basis. If this is something you even think you might be interested in, then click the link below and leave your name and email on the Early Bird Waitlist. Everyone on the Early Bird Waitlist will get the first notification as soon as I go live with this offer. So make sure you get on the Early Bird Waitlist. All you have to do is enter your name and email and bang that submit button, and your spot will be reserved and you'll get early access to the program. Remember, in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can get started learning how to put together bulletproof books right now. I'll see you there.